have this color, border radius of this can make it 20, right? Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to come here, say this button should be more. Okay, I'll just leave it at load more. Load more is okay. It's not a button that we can change or manipulate. The only thing we can do here is to change the color and the light up. That's all. Okay, so this card, I think from the style we can actually style it if we want to. Let's say we can give it a shadow. Don't like that. Can give it color. Oh, great. I think we are going to use our color. Where is it? So we're going to use this color ash EFF5FB. So we're going to use that as a background color, this color, right? So that our card, let's see, our box, we can give it a color of white. The color of white, right? Or we can leave it without giving it a color. We'll have something of this nature. I think giving it a color is actually the best, right? Then border radius, let's say 20. Okay, so have this, and the box also have a border radius of 20. Oh, sorry, not padding. It's border radius of 20. Wow, that's is what I'm looking for. Okay, so this way we can give these guys padding, content, content. Okay, so our content cannot have padding. So that is where we are going to leave it. Okay, what we are going to do here, because it's by default, except if we want, they actually have different Either they have classic, they have card. So all we're trying to do now is actually to achieve a card version of this kind of style. For Elementor, this plugin has limitations. We can't actually give it a padding, because if you want to add a padding to this, it will pad the picture as well, and I would not like that. So what I wanted to do is to actually to uh, padding the write-ups, which is the content, these write-ups, at least to give it a kind of meaningful padding, not to start from the edge. But it's obvious these are this very card style, this classic style does not have that. So what we're going to do is actually to come here and remove the background. That is the only thing we can do here. We just take off the background default. Okay, so we are going to have this. I think it's not bad this way. So then we're going to change the color of this to this color. Let me just pick the color from here. Right, just come back here, go to content, so read more color, just give it fishy color, then I can hit update. So for now, our for this load more, we are going to limit it to uh, 12 per page, or rather let's say 6 per page. 6 is okay, that is 3 3. So at the end of the 3 posts, you can have a load more, right? What happened? The load more have disappeared. Let's go to pagination again. Load more, load more, button load more. So why does it disappear? Okay. Query 3, pagination, main position top, query, pagination, number. Okay, page limit 5. Okay, it was on 5, right? Okay, that is if I'm using pagination. Now I want to use load on click, not pagination. Okay, I understand. The load more will only show once we have up to this number that was set. Once we have beyond 6, the load more will now appear, so that a user can click and view more of the hidden blog posts, so can update. Okay, so I think it's actually it's okay this way. So this is more reason why I'm going to change this picture, because this formatting, this border radius of 18 is not applicable here. You can hardly see that from here, right? Okay, so I think the next section, so we are going to see if we can actually create a page for the individual post, so that we will not be using the default template blog page, which is post page, which is this. right? We might also be using it. We might leave it, you know, without using it. I think for the sake of comment purposes, we might just leave it. It is okay this way. It's not bad, right? So once we have our news page here, user can read through, then hit next, go back and read, or rather click news to go back to where, to the news page, and view more of our post, right? So we are okay. So the next thing we are going to do is to actually add all the menu bars to the navigation menu, which is here, right? Okay, from the dashboard, then go to appearance, appearance, then menus. Okay, here they are. We have home, home 2, right, which is their default home page that comes with the template. We have services, about, review, why, contact, and all of them are actually a custom link. That is, they are not linked to any page, so we can remove them. You click this, remove, click, remove, click, remove, click, remove, and as well click and remove. So now the menu is called primary menu. Primary menu, you can create your menu and give it a name, but we're going to use this menu that comes with it, which is primary menu, because even if we are to create menu, we either call it main menu or primary menu. So the first thing I'm going to add there is the home page, right? Home page followed by about, then followed by services, then followed by blog, which is news, right? Don't make mistake to add blog, otherwise you'll be seeing the default uh, blog page of the team. Then the next thing is contact, portfolio, portfolio. You can add to menu. So once that is done, which we can see here, uh, okay, we can rearrange it. Just click here and drag it up. Home, about, services, then followed by portfolio, followed by news, then contact. Under services, we can position all our services under these services. So now I want to show you how to put a drop down menu, how to achieve a drop down menu. Under services, we have uh, more than one services. So we can come here, say okay, digital marketing, digital marketing, e-commerce, Facebook, graphic design, right? Social media management, web development, website design and redesign, right? Then Android development. I think that's all. So then you now add to menu. Okay. Once it is done adding, you can now scroll. Now we can see that we have from Android, we'll now be pushing them. We'll hold it, drag it to services. Once you reach services, you just go in, you move to the right side to make sure digital marketing is under services, right? The next thing, I'll pick this Android app development, move there and position it here. Then what else? I'll take e-commerce development under digital marketing. After digital marketing, sorry. Then Facebook ad, then uh, graphics design, social media management, web development, website design, as well as website redesign. So if we want to have this, let's assume we want to have this website redesign as a sub menu under website design, you just hold it like this and push it to the right side. That's all. Just like this, right? Or will just be under the other, the right side, under right side, towards the right side of the top menu. So I'm going to bring it here because they are in the same level. I can now save. Now that we are done saving the menu, so we can actually select where we want all this menu to show. For now, I only want it to show on the primary menu, that's all. You know, secondary menu could be a menu maybe above the primary, above your main menu. So I can now visit the site, right? Okay, so now have home, about, services, portfolio, news, contact us, right? So you can see this news, these services. If you click here, take you to the service page, or if you hover, you can scroll down to the individual uh, page, individual services page. So I did this purposely to show you how to do a drop down menu, because I'm not going to list out my services here like this. It is okay having it on this page so that a user click the menu and is being taken to the page, and that's what I prefer. So from the page you can view or read whatever you want to read on that very page. So you can go through the page, and view the services that you would like to see. Okay, so the next thing will be to change the color of this scroll to top, right? So that way all you need to do is to go to customize,